No, 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 no. Si Nok, si Mel. So punta tayong Kaybiang ngayon. Yun yung destination namin. Ang route na gagawin namin is Patagaytay, Nasugbu, then Kaybiang Tunnel. Currently ang weather medyo makulimlim, pero walang ulan, so perfect time to ride. Right now nasa Binyan pa lang kami. Kasama ko ang uncle ko, naka Sniper 150 matte black, bagong bago. Sama kayo sa chill ride namin. Santa Rosa, Balibago. We're here. Makulimlim pa rin. Mag-aantayan lang kami.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Yo, time check. Gopro 3. Lunch lang kami. Kain muna. finally here, Kaybiang Tunnel. Let's try to check what's inside. And ang balita ko, ang Kaybiang Tunnel, it's a tunnel inside a mountain. Hindi ko alam kung chismis yan na totoo. Let's go inside. Kaybiang Tunnel, guys. Enjoy the view. I'm gonna show you the view. Yeah, here we go. As you can see, tchanan! So isang paalala sa lahat ng bumibisita sa Kaybiang, do your part. I'm gonna start doing mine. This episode is brought to you by an eco bag na color red. Kung gusto niyo akong suportahan, alam niyo na. Naka 15 plastic bottles. 15 plastic bottles. And I'm sure marami pa dyan sa gilid, sa baba, sa taas, or kung saan man. But yeah, this is my second ride out na nangolekta ako ng trash or ng plastic bottles. And like what I said, we're gonna sell this sa junk shop. Ipunin natin, and maybe we can do something with the money. Hindi ko pa alam sa ngayon kung anong gagawin sa money, but we'll figure it out once we get there. Guys, Kaybiang, thank you, salamat. Pagbalik ko dito, gagawin ko ulit to para sa'yo to, Kaybiang Tunnel. And like what I said, again, marami pang trash. I hope na mas marami pa akong madala pa uwi. But on the next ride, I'll try to maybe bring 2 eco bags with me. For now, isa lang yung eco bag ko and limited lang yung kaya kong gawin. So, I hope everybody does their part. Ang ganda ng Kaybiang Tunnel. Sana ma-enjoy ng next generation. Let's take care of it. Check this out. Meron tayong kaibigan. Ang pangalan niya ay, hindi ko alam ang pangalan niya, pero mukha siyang unggoy. Feeling ko unggoy siya. Kung meron lang akong Pokeball, huhulihin ko to. Hindi ako nakikipag eye to eye contact sa kanya Kasi baka sabihin niya sina-challenge ko siya. To check this view out. Oh my god! Ang ganda ng cliff. Yeah, hope you guys can see that shit. Cool. We can die. Oh, it's a group of monkeys. Do not make eye-to-eye contact. Hey bro, hey bro. You gotta chill, man. You gotta chill. You gotta chill. A cute little monkey.
Na hindi pa mapuro yan kasi rocky talaga yan. Sorry pag may storm talaga.
What's up, monkey?
Hindi makita pero ayun.
You're cool, bro. You're cool.
NANI?!
Oh shit. Baka kunin yung susi mo, ha? No. Tara, Kim. Mukhang baka maging violente itong mga to eh. Hey monkeys. Tara. Kim, we gotta roll. So after the monkey incident, dito na kami nakapag-set up ng camera. It was also raining pretty bad going down. And meron naman kaming rain gear with us. So we are protected. And hindi na namin kasama si Mel and Nok pauwi. But they were able to fix their ride and proceed to Kaybiang tunnel. But medyo late na sila nakauwi. So massive shout out and thank you sa mga nakasama namin during this chill ride, especially to Mel, Nok, kay Kim, and sa uncle ko. Hopefully we can do this again. And thank you guys rin sa pagsama sa journey namin today for this episode of Chill Ride. Hopefully next time makasama ulit kayo.